All right, here we go. We've got the taco meat is out, and so we just take it, and you can basically just take the dehydrator sheet, just kind of fold it onto itself, and this stuff just falls right off. So here's all the goodies. We've got some endive mixed up with some romaine and some cabbage. We've got a bowl of shredded cabbage here. Actually, wait, romaine, endive, and radicchio. Sorry, cabbage here, grated sunchokes, raw olives, true raw olives. These are really amazing. Who are these from, babe? Do you remember?
Big Picture Foods.
Big Picture Foods. We've got some guac, some salsa, some of our raw sriracha, a cashew nacho cheese sauce here, and of course the tostada shells. We've also got the taco shells over here we'll be tapping into. All the recipes can be found in the taco book. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Let's build it.
Here we go. Everything ready for the tacos. Starting out here.
I'm gonna do the guac first.
Guac first. A nice guac on there. We've got these taco grounds, just made with seeds and veggies.
Yeah. Seeds and veggies.
What are you gonna do next?
I think I'm gonna go with the. I don't know. Yeah, I think maybe I'll try to stack the taco meat on here. I'm going thick tonight on this one. I think I'm only gonna have 2 of these tonight.
Woo! Yeah, I'm thinking 2, but thick ones.
Look at there.
Yes.
Now we'll just fill up the gaps with some salsa. Ooh. Yeah, maybe I'll do the salsa first. This is where we just gotta. Oh, you know what? I should probably do the lettuces first. Because the salsa just looks so good on that white cabbage.
It does look so pretty.
Pops. Yes.
There we go. Sunchokes. Get that good inulin.
Inulin on there. Yeah.
Microbiome food.
Now we'll get back to the salsa.
We'll get the salsa. Yes.
Oh man, stacking it. It's like mortar, concrete or something. Just make sure it's all.
That's a big one.
You like that?
Look at that taco. That tostada.
Okay, now.
Okay.
Shake it up. This is a thick one.
Ooh, this is the nacho cheese sauce.
Nacho cheese.
Nacho cheese sauce.
And
recipe in the taco book. And the wild brine raw sriracha.
Which is kind of like tricky to find this stuff.
Yes.
Where do we have natural grocers here?
Yes, I believe
They're selling it? Okay, then I gotta try a couple of these olives on there.
Big Picture Foods.
Olives are definitely kind of a classic thing to put on tacos. Look at that!
Yes! Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful. That's what's left of it. I almost was able to do it without it falling.
Hey, messy tacos are the best. It's like, if your plate doesn't look like this, after you finish one, did you even taco?